Oh god. This is the first time I'm videotaping and it's a bad moment. I'm sick. I'm double sick. Well, not really. I just can't feel any of my limbs right now. Hey, for the first time, I have my glasses. Yay. Um oh my god. I don't know what this video is gonna be about, honestly. It's just gonna be like probably this me just coughing and talking about how sick I am. But in other news, I'm going back to school and I'm very excited. Unlike everyone who's like sad that summer is over and at the start of the school year. Well, for me, I'm very excited. I'm just so excited. I just can't. I just like couldn't hide it, like that one song. Yeah. Oh man, it's a bad day to be sick. But anyway, I don't know. It's just a bad day to be sick. It's Saturday afternoon, and yeah. Oh yeah, my new wristband, Kill a Kill. If any of you watched it, congratulations. You know why Sonic Adventure 2 is similar to Kill a Kill. Yeah, my Katy Perry wristband. I actually got it at the actual concert, the Prismatic World Tour, and the Pierce the Veil wristband. My band buddy got it for me in freshman year. I didn't know who they were back then, but during the summer of I don't know when it was, but I think it was last year. It was last year that I got to like listen to their music, and I actually stitched this thing up, and I got new stitches. Right. Oh god, I'm feeling sick. So my hair is just like covering my right eye. That's how I know that I'm gloomy. I hate being sick. I just hate being sick, you know? Like, one day you're perfectly fine, the next thing you know, you're just. Hold up. The next thing you know, you're just laying down in bed, you're sick to the bone, and you just don't feel a thing. Ugh. And then you start drinking all these medicines that are like sour and bitter, and next thing you know, your father rubs in vapor rub on you to make you feel better, even though it's really uncomfortable while sleeping through it. If any of you like feel like this right now, please let me know, because I know how bad it is to be sick. Hey, look who's here, my baby kitten. Yay! I love cats like these. So tiny you can barely see. See? Look how adorable that is. I just had to bring my cats on to make me feel better. Even though they're stuffed, I still don't care. Yeah. Don't be all sad. Oh, and speaking of medicines and remedies, I actually posted something on Facebook that that seemed like a year ago. Hold up, let me see where it is. Because it said something about watching something that's really hilarious, and that it's like laughter is the best medicine ever. And hold up, damn, I can't find it. How long did oh my gosh, how long didn't I post? It's gonna take a while, honestly. Wow. Oh my god. What did I even do? And then they're just like pictures of my friends that tag me in them. And oh my god. I'm so delayed. Always late. Stop. Damn, I can't even find it. Okay, I think I'm gonna skip this part. Well then, so yeah, that was it. And then I just could. Oh my god. This is not how I want. This is not how I want to end the summer, especially not like this while being sick. Oh well, just kidding. Whatever. Well, I guess that's it. That's it for now. Now that I'm back, and even though I just posted something, I think that was last week that was I was supposed to upload. Ugh, I was supposed to upload on June, but I had some technical difficulties doing that. So yeah. Well, this is it, everyone. Remember, stay happy, be healthy, not like me. Well then, bye guys.